Welcome back, everybody, to day 6 of straight cloudy cold. As a fellow who believes in signs, as I was chucking stuff out the back of the barn to prepare for gardening, I felt the plunk in the back of my head. This can't be good for me or him. Hi, buddy. I'm sorry. This is a little brown bat. Still alive. It fell on top of my head, and then it plunked down here, and it was here, but it moved, so it's still alive. It's starting to rain, and it's cruel. It seems cruel, but nature's cruel. I'm of the opinion it's supposed to be right there in the rain, so I'll try to get a good look at it for you. It's still alive, so I'm not going to get, not going to agitate it. I'm going to get in front of its teeth. Hi. I'm sorry this has happened to you. Can we look at you? Alright. I'll come say goodnight. Alright, it's a little bit later. And I can see its breath getting shallow, so I think it's time for us to say goodbye. Alright, amigo. I wish you well. You're not what turned me into a vampire. Take care.